If you're dialed in both to professional golf and what's happening on social media, you may be familiar with Grace Charis. Ever since she fell in love with golf 5 years ago, she's been on a trajectory as one of the fastest rising stars in golf's social media landscape. The Southern California native, who refers to herself on social media simply as your favorite golf girl, picked up golf during the COVID-19 pandemic and began posting her exploits on all of her social media accounts. But what began as fun on social media quickly grew an enormous following, to the tune of 3.7 million followers on Instagram, as well as 3 million on TikTok and 1.5 million on YouTube. Eventually, as interest in golf-related content soared, especially on TikTok, her following became big enough that she was able to use it to raise money for college. But Charis says that while she's become more than a scratch golfer, she wrestles with the same self-competition and drive toward improvement as any avid golfer. I struggled really hard with the driver early on, but worked really hard to make that a key skill. But I think I'm best at golf off the tee, Charis said during our Zoom chat in late March. Currently, Charis said she plays 5 rounds of golf a week and just attended the PGA Tour's Players' Cup, both to get a feel for the course and to cover the event on her socials. Covering world-class competitive golf up close, she said, makes a golfer like her want to accelerate her skill set. I feel like more recently it's been on the greens, Charis said, that has given her the most trouble. Putting is on and off, but both are part of your routine. As with most who frequent the course, Charis looks to some of the top players for influence on her form. One of her favorite pros is Norwegian golfer Viktor Hovland, currently the world's number 9 ranked player in the men's game. But in our conversation, we got to talking about longtime standout Lexi Thompson. Lexi just recently retired, which is kind of a bummer. I actually played an event in Florida recently, the Dixie Cup at Eagle Trace, near where she's from, Charis noted. She's super athletic, and that, along with seeing where she grew up and the conditions, it's no wonder why she's so good. Charis, like Thompson and the best of the field, also has her own fitness routine built around golf. Although she said she's not a gym rat. I do like a couple of workouts, but I don't feel I have to be a certain size or anything. I just try to stay in shape. I think a lot of it is technique, and just overall fitness and stamina have been a big thing, especially when you are walking 18 holes and doing tournaments or 2 days of 36. While stamina isn't perhaps as hard for a 24-year-old accustomed to playing golf nearly every day, Charis admits that there are some physical aspects every golfer can work on in order to raise their level of play. Glutes are very important in the golf swing, just being able to fire them up. I surf as well, which I think keeps you engaged, as you always have to be looking at the next wave and, like golf, be engaged with your surroundings. When I asked Charis about her relatively short timeline from her first tee off to her current social media fame, she described it as a process. But she said she didn't see golf as an occasional pastime, but more of a lifestyle and obsession. You can't fake it to make it, and I feel like that was me when I first started. But I was really other content creators in the space, she said, who encouraged her. As her golf game evolved, she became more driven to introduce people to the game of golf with fun, visually engaging content. In accordance with her love of the game, Charis decided to expand her activities beyond playing often and sharing her journey on social media. Just this week, Charis launched her new golf-inspired apparel line, called Dialed Golf. Charis said that she thinks of golf not just as a game, but as something of a universal language that she thinks unites people from different worlds and different backgrounds. As such, she said that Dialed Golf was launched as an innovative apparel brand designed for golfers who seek adventure, connection, and personal growth on and off the course. Dialed Golf's line offers a different take on popular golf items, such as golf shirts, hoodies, hats, and on-the-course accessories like ball markers and tees. But the line also reflects Charis's easygoing nature and sense of humor, shown in the line's fun Walk It Off t-shirt. Golf is more than a sport. It's a way to see the world, meet new people, and push yourself to new limits, she added. With Dialed Golf, we're creating apparel that represents that mindset, gear that's functional, stylish, and made for those who want to experience everything golf has to offer.